Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix the game plugin panel that is missing, not showing on Edge on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gaming Hub app. After click on Gaming Hub, click on this three dot icon and here showing you game plugin. Click on game plugin. After click on game plugin and here showing you again three dot icon, click on this three dot icon and you will see panel is open. If you want to fix game plugin panel, so here showing you show edge panel, sorry, show edge plugin panel. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn on this button. After turn on this button and turn off this button. After turn off this button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix the game plugin panel that is missing, not showing on the edge on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.